Hi guys, so today I would like to show you how to make such a night light with our Laterna Mini controller in combination with WLED and of course Alexa support. Alexa, turn on Laterna Mini. Alexa, set Laterna Mini to green. So as you can see, Alexa works. You can also use the manual controls as you notice from the apps in WLED. We have all the effects available, whatever you can imagine and you would like to have. So what do we need for that? So we have our Laterna Mini controller. I have a strip. These are SK6812 RGBW LEDs. 32 for this setup, and it's actually pretty easy to put this all together. Just connect LEDs, slide it over here, slide in our controller, put the LED. That's a little bit of the tricky part here, just to get this properly set. Oops. Come on. Here we go. There. That's it. Of course you need to stick it on. I don't do this now for this video. And that's it. You have this night light. So in order to make your light controllable via Alexa, just go to your WLED config, go to your sync interfaces, and there you find Alexa Voice Assistant. Activate it, and then after you search in your Alexa app for new devices, your new light will show up. I hope you liked this video, and subscribe to our channel for further WLED ideas and everything around our Laterna controllers.